Hey, happy Monday. I hope your week got to a great start. I just wanted to do a quick video of two tickers that came to my attention today. Um, and let's get right into it. But first of all, this is not a financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and research, and it will help you keep in the game. So let's get started with trade talk. Today, I want to discuss Uber. I noticed some really significant dark pool prints coming in at 40.07 today. But that's not it. When I saw the overall dark pool prints in the last 30 days, then the total number of prints at this level was significantly large. And it's about $150 million. And what's interesting is that the prints came right where the price is forming a small base. And the base aligns coincidentally with the second largest volume node of volume profile. So quite a few confluences going on, and that's not it. We also saw a volume spike here, especially on a day when the market was correcting. But although towards the end we saw this huge reversal in the market, so we'll see how it goes. But that being said, towards the close, if you see, the market was kind of in a state of indecision. So tomorrow will be a really important day for Uber. What I'm looking for in my pivot point is 40.9, and I think that's where a good long position would be. And towards with the price target of 42 and then 43.48, which is the value area low, and around 44, 45 area. So that's the setup I'm looking at. It's a very interesting setup. So a lot of good potential in Uber. The second one that I want to discuss is the same as the one that I covered during the weekend, and that is Zoom. I did not take this trade. The reason I wanted to cover is just to discuss the price action. So yesterday I mentioned that the price was forming a small base with some dark pool prints coming right at value area low and possibly the second largest volume node in volume profile. Now, even and if you look at the volume graph, you can see that it is indicative of accumulation. So that being said, it was a really good setup. However, not all textbook setups may work well, and this is the this is the counter argument that I want to present today. That even though a setup may look like a picture perfect setup, it does not mean that we take it right away. Uh, the price action ultimately determines whether or not one should take the setup, right? And basically, today I was looking at whether the price will rise above my pivot point of 301.57. And if we, so this is 1 year daily, let's move to 6 months daily so that we can get a better handle and visibility. So if you look at here, the price did not even touch the pivot point and it's straight away liquidated. And that tells me that the stock kind of moves along with the general market. And I try to look at those triggers and I try to trade those triggers which shows a relative strength compared to the market as a whole and also the internals. And because I saw very early on in the morning that Zoom was not even touching the pivot point, I let go of this setup. And eventually, towards the end, it even liquidated below the dark pool print level at 295.98. So this is more of a reflection of why I didn't take a trade. I mean, I think sometimes it's important to do these things. So That's it. That's a quick video from my side today to discuss Uber and Zoom. If you have any questions, any critique, any feedback, please feel free to drop in the comment, and we'll take it from there. And thank you so much. I wish you a great night and see you around.